in the water.
I know.
Oh, come on, smile. Yeah, that's the goofiest grin I've seen.
Had a baby right through the eye.
Careful, Chase.
That hurt.
Wait till it opens it. You gotta.
Dude, that is huge.
Oh my God! Devin!
Pull it up.
I am. I'm trying.
Get the grippers.
Got the grippers, Chase. Here you go.
Don't pull up
Put 'em on
anymore.
Okay, I'm not.
Oh, he's spicy.
Yeah, he's gonna try and jerk it off there.
Grab a hold.
Everything looks
Wrist. Hold it on the blue.
Bring it a little closer to you.
You got it, Devin.
I can barely hold it. I can barely hold it.
Here, we both hold it. Okay. Call and understand. Hold up higher, yeah, by your face. You know how we got us to grow.
Get closer to it, Devin.
Finally understand.
Team effort.
Hold on. I'm
Yeah, I
going
pulled it
another
out.
one. Without light focus this time.
Another big one over there. High five.
Woohoo!
Yeah, look at that. You cook it?
Ooh, a red grouper.
We cook it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I wanna
grouper.
cook
We
it.
can't cook it, right?
Can't keep. He's out of season.
Oh yeah, because it's off season.
Here, wait a minute, Devin.
Grab it.
Grab it, Chase.
All right, go see. Go ahead and bring yours in. See if
No problem.
Come on, keep rolling in, Chase. Just keep rolling in. I got
pick up. Teamwork.
Okay, stop drilling.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Hot damn.
Hot damn.
Go, reel. Stop reeling.
Oh shit.
Reel.
Chase, I don't hear oh shit.
Oh shit.
Stop. Reel.
You put it all the way.
There you go.
More. Oh, okay.
You got him? Don't. You're good, Devin.
Open the bail.
We need something to do.
What are you supposed to say?
Oh shit.
There you go.
Lift up the line, baby.
Oh my gosh, look at the fangs on that. Yeah, look at the fangs.
There you go, Chase.
Huh? Alright, I got the one.
All right, open the bail. That's a beautiful fish.
Shaved your bait again.
Let's see that those teeth.
Look at the fangs on that. I want to see Chase. Wow. Holy crap.
Hold it up by your face. Stick the tongue out.
And what do you say?
Oh shit.
Good boy.
All you.
Take the lure off.
All right,
Hold him, hold him. No slack, Mom. Uh-oh.
we'll go get it.
Got him. Just a minute.
I want to see the pole dance here.
Here we go.
He's going to see the boat and he's going to get excited.
You got the bed.
Right there, you got him. Oh! That's a sea pickle.
He's right here.
Oh, what is that? A bull shark?
Little bull.
Holy crap! Oh my god, it's beautiful!
Mom! Hey, somebody stand back here.
Oh, he's so beautiful.
Give me a hold of the
Oh
pole.
my god.
Okay, stand back here.
Okay.
Look at you!
Yep.
You're so pretty! Woo!
Yeah, Mom.
Oh my god! This is awesome! Oh, you're so beautiful.
See, he's got other fish on Maury.
Oh, he's pricey.
He's not done.
Yeah, it's not done. That is so cool.
Go, Mom.
You're all right. Bring it back. You got this, baby.
You need to help me. Or do that start.
No, just
Back up. Huh.
I'm holding slack on this side of the chase. Scoot back.
point the pole. You gotta let her be able to hold the pole toward the fish.
Sorry.
Oh, I see him.
Dude.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hey,
Watch out.
David, get on
Get him up to the side of the boat. We can get the measurement.
Those teeth.
He's close to 6 foot.
Look, he's been hooked before.
Yeah, he has.
What if we hooked him earlier?
Oh, I'm sorry. Kind of hurt you.
Nope. Pull him right next to the boat so we can measure.
Don't be shy,
I'm
Mom.
trying.
This is your shark.
I don't think you guys realize what that means.
Okay. You want to cut him loose?
Yep.
Yeah.
How big is he?
Oh my God. That's so cool.
You gotta bring him up closer to me.
Let's go, Mom.
Just cut the hook right in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
And now be careful when you cut the hook. That thing goes flying.
Okay.
Get on the other side of me
Well,
so I can see.
Woo! Is he still on? Proud of yourself.
Right there. I can't see it now.
I can't.
Yeah!
Sorry.
high five.
Mom!
Yes!
Yes!
Woo!
Yes! Yeah!
So awesome. Oh my God.
The shark